Are you tired of switching between apps and spending too much time on repetitive tasks? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to explore the game-changing world of Apple Shortcuts, a feature that can revolutionize your productivity and save you precious time. For those who are new to Apple Shortcuts, it's a powerful tool that allows you to automate tasks, create custom workflows, and even integrate with other apps and services. With Apple Shortcuts, you can streamline your workflow, reduce distractions, and get more done in less time. So, let's dive right in and see how to set up Apple Shortcuts on both your iPhone and Mac. On your iPhone, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. From here, you can choose from a library of pre-built shortcuts or start from scratch. For example, let's say you want to create a shortcut that sends a daily to-do list to your email. You can add actions like get items from list and send email with attachment and customize the settings to your liking. On your Mac, Apple Shortcuts